Listen, dear dream of utter aliveness, touching my body of utter death. Tell me, oh quickly, dream of aliveness, the flaming source of your bright breath. Tell me, oh dream of utter aliveness, knowing so well the wind and the sun, where is this light your eyes see forever? And what is the wind you touch when you run?
So here we have a speaker yearning for aliveness, but trapped in a body that won't give them that aliveness. They're feeling exhausted, and they're demanding, as the title of the poem tells us, they're demanding to this dream how they can feel this aliveness. Listen, dear dream of utter aliveness, touching my body of utter death. Our bodies are going to die. We are impermanent. How, given that knowledge, can we continue to feel alive? Can we continue to be excited about the world? Tell me, oh quickly, dream of aliveness, the flaming source of your bright breath. Tell me, oh dream of utter aliveness, knowing so well the wind and the sun, where is this light your eyes see forever? And what is the wind you touch when you run? So light and wind, the sun, these are the things that make us feel alive, going outside into that open air, into the warmth of the sun, and we feel alive. And perhaps we could say that when the speaker is making this demand, are they locked up inside? Are they writing on their typewriter perhaps, feeling less alive? Is it this modern concept of, touching grass? That's when we feel alive, and we can't recreate that inside our house if we're feeling low, if we're feeling our body of death. We can't just magically recreate that, but the poet or the speaker is trying to recreate that by demanding dream of utter aliveness. He knows this dream, he's had this dream, he's had these feelings of aliveness, but at the moment he's clearly not feeling that. He's desperate, he's making a demand. Look at that first line, listen. He really, really just wants to feel that aliveness, but he's not feeling it. He's asking that dream. He's saying, how do I feel that? How do I feel that again? Of course the answer is the wind and the sun. Go outside. Where is this light your eyes see forever? And what is this wind you touch when you run? The flaming source of your bright breath.